Doug Monroe, and thank you for checking out Monroe's Cocktails. Today I'm going to be making the Breakfast Martini, which was created by my favorite bartender, Salvatore Calabrese. First thing we're going to start off with is some Bombay Sapphire, which is a nice floral citrusy gin. Do 1.5 ounces of that. A nice premium triple sec or Cointreau. Do 1/2 ounce of that. Some fresh lemon juice, which is essential in cocktails. It truly makes the difference in the flavor when you use fresh ingredients. A bar spoon of orange marmalade. It's gonna cut the tartness of the drink and give it a nice light sweetness. Get it nice and cold. Final touch, we're gonna do a little orange oil over the top of it. It's just gonna perfume the drink, give it a nice orange smell. And there you have it, the Breakfast Martini by Salvatore Calabrese. Thanks again for checking out Monroe's Cocktails. I'll see you next week, and always put the love in it. Thanks.